One last item before you proceed to the flashlight project. I just want to mention that you will be using a deformer. We have used in this course some deformers, the twist deformer and the bend deformer. We're going to be using a new deformer with a flashlight object, so let me demonstrate. So I'll make a cone, and then over here in the deformer drop-down menu, I will choose bulge. Now the deformer has to be a child of the object, so click, hold, and drag bulge into cone, and nothing's happening here yet. The bulge deformer is selected, the strength is at 0%. So I'm going to increase the strength, and I'll back up so you can see what happens. So there's the bulge going into positive percentage, and this is going into a negative percentage. One thing that you'll typically, not always, but you'll typically do is click Fit to Parent. That way the bulge deformer, fits the boundaries of the object. And you can grab, we did this with the twist and the other deformers we've been using. You can move the deformer up and down the object, and it'll only affect the object within this, so-called cage. Alrighty, let me fit the parent again. And so you can, again, this is a parametric primitive. I'm going to increase rotation segments a whole bunch and increase height segments a whole bunch. And you can, whoops, wrong, I didn't want to do that. And you can get some really interesting effects. Hershey, if you want to make Hershey kisses, this is what you want to do. So that is the bulge deformer that you'll be using in the flashlight project.